In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the prepaid expenses to the expense account. As we can see here, on 31st of January, it says rent expense for January adjusted from advance rent account for an amount of $1,000. That means we have paid some advance rent to the owner. Let's scroll up to see. And there we can see this entry. Advance rent paid for 6 months by cash. And the rent was $1,000 per month. So we have paid in advance $6,000. But that was in the start of January. At the start of January, we haven't consumed the benefit of the premises yet. So that shouldn't be charged as an expense, because the expense will only be charged once we have consumed the benefit. So even now, we have consumed only a single month of benefit because the month has ended and we have used the premises for that particular month. So only that part of advances should be charged as an expense, right? So let's see how we can deal with this in Tally. First of all, if you are in the daybook, it's very simple to move directly to the accounting vouchers. Just press alternate A, hold the alternate key and press A. That should take you directly to the accounting voucher creation mode. But otherwise, if you want to go to the main area from the gateway of Tally, just click on the transactions and vouchers. And from here, I'll just simply select journal entry on our right. So debit should be rent expense. Now, if we try to find this, we only have the prepaid rent and not the rent expense account. So we want to create one. We can directly create it by pressing alternate C. And that should take you to the ledger creation screen. I'll just write here rent expense. And this should go in the indirect expenses. I'll just hit enter. Type of ledger, I'll select not applicable. And rounding, I don't want that. And press Ctrl A. The ledger is created and we are back on the screen. The rent expense amount is 1,000. Hit enter. And credit is prepaid rent. So now that we have consumed the benefit of that particular time period, so we will reduce this from the prepayments. Hit enter. And once we are in the last screen, we will just copy and paste the narration here and press Ctrl A. So this is how we can convert the prepaid rent to a rent expense account. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.